What if I told you that learning to code literally rewires your brain? Not as a metaphor. Your brain physically changes when you learn programming. Today I will show you what happens inside your mind every time you write code and why programmers start thinking differently from everyone else. Welcome back. If coding ever felt confusing and overwhelming, this video will give you the science behind it and why it actually means your brain is improving. When you read a write code, your brain fires up several regions at once, like logic center, language processing, pattern recognition, memory, and lastly problem solving areas. Very few skills active these many parts of the brain at the same time. Coding is basically a full brain workout. So in the beginning, your brain enters cognitive overload. You are trying to understand syntax, logic, tools, errors all at the same time, and you feel confused. Not because you are bad, but because your brain has not built the necessary neural pathways yet. As you keep practicing, something amazing happens. Your brain starts forming new connections. This is neuroplasticity. You become better at breaking down problems, thinking logically, and spotting bugs and recalling patterns. Coding literally upgrades the way your brain processes information. Over time, your brain gets faster at recognizing patterns. A bug looks familiar and a problem feels similar. A concept reminds you of something you solved earlier. This is why senior developers seem fast. They have just stored thousands of patterns in their brain. So coding trains an unique mental skill like calm, structured, and problem solving. Your brain learns to say, okay, something's wrong. Let's find the root cause. This thinking style helps outside coding too, in decisions, planning, and handling stress. Studies show that programmers improving in memory, focus, creativity, and critical thinking. You are not just learning a technical skill, you are shaping a sharper and more logical mind. So the next time you are stuck on a bug or confused by new code, remember your brain is growing in the background. Every challenge is literally strengthening your mind. If you enjoyed the psychology breakdown, hit the like and subscribe and comment below has coding changed the way you think. This is all about for today. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.